Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Garu. Today, Mr. Garu is in Brother Jeffrey's house. Hi brother.
Hello there.
Okay, how are you today?
I am friend again you.
Yes, I'm great, thank you. Well guys, today Brother Jeffrey will study and practice about drilling sections. Drilling sessions is include of listening and also speaking. So Brother Jeffrey will have some questions from Mr. Garu and he has to answer my questions. I will change some of the words there and then Brother Jeffrey will practice it. Do you want to know how? Here we go. This is the video. Let's check it out, okay? Hi brother.
Hello there.
Alright brother. I will have sentence, okay? Repeat after me, okay? I have eaten a plate of rice.
I have eaten bit of rice.
Okay, that's good. Now listen to me well. My question is, brother, what have you eaten?
I have eaten plate of rice.
It's good. Guys, that is the statement, okay? Mr. Garu will continue. Next question, brother. Have you eaten a plate of pizza?
No, I haven't eaten plate of pizza, but I have plate of rice.
Yeah, that's good. But I have eaten a plate of rice. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good. It's okay, yeah? Okay, it's okay. Never mind. Let's continue, guys. Brother, my next questions. Have you eaten a plate of noodle?
No, I haven't eaten plate of noodle, but I haven't eaten plate of rice.
Yeah, okay, that's good. But I have eaten a plate of rice. Okay, that's good. Yeah, it's okay. Never mind. Yeah, okay. Let's continue, brother. My next questions, brother. Have you eaten a plate of meatball?
No, I haven't eaten plate of meatball, but I have eaten plate of rice.
Yeah, that's good. Perfecto. Okay, next, brother. Have you eaten a plate of soto?
No, I haven't eaten plate of soto, but I have eaten plate of rice.
Yeah, well done. Good job, brother. Oke guys, itu tadi beberapa contoh tentang drilling sections yang Brother Jeffrey sudah bisa menyelesaikannya dengan baik. Oke, I'll see you again next video with Brother Jeffrey and thank you brother. See you next time. Goodbye.